It's okay.
Oh my balls. Then
We only die, and we only lose if we kill if two more patients die.
get out of here. You so stupid. The taste is ready. The coffee's not ready.
Yeah,
Wow.
I just took a sip because I was at 30% sanity. What are you at?
70.
70.
What do you have on your what do we have? Oh yeah, it's the what room?
Bed monster in room 2. Don't go close to him.
Yeah, cause
You can't taste him. You gotta give him maple syrup.
Why?
Okay, get ready to save me if this doesn't work. Okay? Oh, okay.
It looks like purple just mixed with a
Bed
different.
monster.
Yeah, cause like there's red eyes and purple has eyes but there's no back. What it looks like a vent,
You
so
treat that patient. I'm gonna treat this one.
okay. What is the I need to? Oh here, medkit. Didn't you use medkit? Yeah, medkit. Also maple syrup. Cause remember that, right?
Yeah.
Always carry maple syrup.
Not always, because you might need to pick something up. And you can only have 3 things in your inventory. It's another bed monster!
I'm fine. One of them.
You have 5? Oh, I didn't know
And
you
what
could pick
room? Oh, fine. What room?
this one. What, where'd he go? Wait, which one? Wait, what?
What?
Where did he go? Room 4! Go to room 4.
What's
Right here.
Okay. What is it?
It's a ritual. We gotta put out all the cameras. Cameras?
Cameras. Okay. No, two. Oh.
There was
Okay.
one more. Okay, you do this one.
What? There's nothing.
Sorry, I didn't know.
Is my game glitching?
No. Kill, or hold on, do the one in room 5.
He's
room 5.
twerking. He was like,
Well. I didn't finish treating him. He came out of this room?
no, this room.
Oh. Because he's an anomaly. He did the ritual. Hold on, do room 5.
Man, yes, I'm in room 5. How is it? I've been sitting. What? Oh yeah, I've been sitting. Is that too far?
No.
Why did it go down? Oh, yep, I have.
So you can only carry 3 medicine at a time.
Some hot syrup. Now, patient recovering. That's good.
Okay, I'll do it. Okay, guys, we're gonna stop playing Animal Hospital now and play the shawarma key.
Yeah,
The shawarma truck.
bye guys.
Not bye.
Well,
We're still gonna record.
no, I said I'm not bye because I'm watching not getting.
Oh, okay. Now we're gonna play the shawarma truck. So just join me.
Oh,
Okay, good. Are you ready?
Yeah.
No, this just appeared on the screen.
Oh, it appeared on my screen. I don't know why it turned on. I mean, I'm gonna invite, guys, I'm gonna
Invite you all to friend request.
yeah,
And so that you guys can play with us too.
yeah, and I'm also gonna invite, Galaxy to play with us.
Oh, that's not.
We made
3-player.
We're doing three player just in case we join. I think he's not gonna join. So, if we go,
Oh wait, you can leave the orange circle without leaving the thing.
what the,
Shawarma kiosk.
what, did I, what the heck?
You never joined.
Oh,
Oh.
I didn't know I had to, I didn't know I had to press join.
You did. Okay.
Because I never played it. So guys,
So I'm gonna leave and rejoin.
Star is just, rejoining because,
You didn't join with me.
yeah, because I didn't know that I had to press join.
Okay, ready?
Also guys, if you're still watching, hit
Join.
that subscribe, jump in,
Jump in.
subscribe button right now and like. So hit the notification if you have it and like and subscribe. And if you don't do those things right now, you might not get invited.
To play with us.
Yeah.
So subscribe to my channel, ST4R Star. Yeah.
And my channel and the other's channel, Galaxy's channel.
But you guys don't have a channel. Just kidding. They have a channel. It's actually pretty good.
Yeah, my channel is supernova 8231.
All right.
Why do I have a boy voice? That's offensive.
I have a gun. Oh. Then what are these in my inventory?
I don't know. Okay, so we're gonna turn that alarm off.
Or if I
Midnight already.
wait, if I had Robux, I could buy
Perfect time to sell
infinite
food.
jump scares. Look, see?
Why am I selling food at midnight?
Where'd I put them this time?
Okay, we gotta find the food.
Pistol. Wow. Pistol that I can't even buy. Well, oh, I found the keys.
There it
Where
is.
are they? Up here?
Yeah.
Big,
Where's the
it's out
outside?
here.
Oh.
Shawarma truck.
You've gotta be
Star,
kidding me.
I have a bad feeling that we're gonna die.
Yeah.
Nothing left.
Oh.
All right, market run first.
Guys, look where I am. I'm not out there.
Come on, get to the market.
Oh. No, it says drive to the market.
Oh, wait for me, wait for me.
Get in the passenger seat.
I am.
Okay. Little
Wait,
bit.
actually, can I drive?
Yeah, Yeah, because you're good at driving
Good
stuff.
driving.
Star, is your computer all charged?
Yes.
Okay, because I was like, well, why is the charger not on Star's computer?
Oh, it must not be that way. Okay, this way.
Have you played this before?
No, but it wouldn't let me go that way.
Oh,
Oh yeah,
that's
follow these.
that's weird, Star.
Now follow these. Right?
Yeah.
All the blue light things.
Whoa.
Holy!
Jeez, just a deer.
Jesus.
Scared the shirt out of me.
Oh, it's just a deer.
Holy!
That scared the
Welcome.
Oh
effing
my
out of me.
god.
That scared the effing
Supplies
out
are in
of
the
me.
back aisle.
Scared me so bad.
Take your time.
Also, guys, if you are a boy, then you just come to my channel, cause I have so many cool videos if you're a boy. Are we the workers?
No, but we're getting stuff for our kiosk for our truck so that we can sell stuff.
What if we need to pay? Don't we need to pay it?
Yeah, we will.
How do we give it to him? How do I give it to him?
Put it in the green box.
It won't let me. Look, I'm putting in the
Because I
green.
already got that.
Oh. And what do I get? How do I drop it? Oh.
It's just doing this.
It's just loading.
Okay,
What else do
now
I
we gotta find
get?
the cheese and the cola.
Like the cheese and the corn. Can I get it?
I'll find it and then you can grab it.
Okay. Damn. Is there even cheese? Where is this damn
Have a
cheese?
cheese and a cola.
Give me it. Give me it.
You take the cheese, I'll take the cola.
Got the cheese. Wait, there's cheese in there too.
Cheese.
Be careful out there.
Yeah, safe, but we almost hit a deer on the way here.
Yeah, and it scared the frick out of me.
Holy.
And guess what, guys? It
Scared us so bad. Let me try a little bit.
it won't let me
Oh.
sit.
Hey man, you're good to go. But let me break the job down real quick for you. First, start with the lavash. Put it on the counter. Then you're gonna slice the meat and add it to the lavash. After that, add toppings, salad, sauce, cheese. One more thing, if a customer's eyes are white, don't serve them. Close the shutter.
Guys, a star is just
I marked your first stop on the map. Good luck.
problem.
Bit of a pickle.
Yeah.
Sorry. Am I still there?
Yeah.
Am I still moving?
Yeah. Guys, Star might have to not be here, so guys,
Am I sitting down?
no, guys,
Hold on. It's not even recording.
it's on.
Okay. We're good. But it stopped recording, so let me just
We should fix that. There.
cause it died. This is what I did. Okay, so we gotta go back onto.
Did mine die?
No, yours is at 50%, but I unplugged.
How do you know?
Oh, okay, so we're still recording. Got it.
You unplugged mine?
No, I turned them off.
Mine off?
Yeah, both cars. Okay, guys, sorry for that. Because mine's dead. Okay. Sit down.
No, is it still recording?
Yeah.
Okay.
I
Guys,
figured it out. We're good. Okay, good. Okay.
guys, we are just in a little bit of a pickle.
Yeah.
If you don't know what pickle means, it means like problem. Or like food. You know?
Okay,
Yeah.
I swear, if we run into another deer,
I'm gonna freak out.
I'm actually gonna pee my pants.
Yeah, me too.
Holy, he scared me so bad.
Me too.
What is that noise?
What is that?
Yeah, what was that noise?
What are those people?
They're-
Ew.
No, hold on, they're coming to get our food.
Oh,
We're at a food truck.
I thought they were coming to kill me.
No. Okay, how do I open the shutter?
Oh, this.
Got it.
Hey,
Hello.
I'll take a shawarma with sauce, cheese, and salad.
and a cola.
And a cola on the side.
Okay, so we gotta start. Don't take anything up yet. We gotta start with sauce.
I'm going to the
salad,
camp.
Cheese. No,
Why?
cause.
I'm already at.
Okay, so. A shawarma.
I'm already at the camp.
What was his order again? Okay, so a lavish shawarma.
Canyon.
Cheese sauce. Okay.
Wait.
Shawarma.
I accidentally said.
It's Star. My name is Storm. Wait, it's because that's my nickname, guys.
Canyon, yeah, that's her nickname.
Solid cheese and sauce.
It's kind of a weird nickname, but
Yeah, I don't know why they call me that.
yeah, it's just
Cheese.
honor. There's a bazooka in here,
Yeah, I know. Sauce.
but let me get one at least. So let me get one at least.
Okay, can I put it down? How do I put it down? How do I put it down? How do I put it down? Why did I pick it up? 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 Get him a cola.
Okay, where's the plate?
It's in the fridge.
This? Where's the fridge? Oh.
I got it.
Hey! Why can't I get one at least?
Okay, you can get the next cola.
Nice, thanks.
Yeah, of course. 25 bucks. Did you get 25 bucks too? Yeah, I
Yeah.
saw it.
Oh,
Ooh, another person.
it's so late.
Why is he walking like that?
Hey,
Can you make it quick?
Sure.
Shawarma, cheese, and salad only. No drink.
Dang it, I have to put this back. Which I cannot.
Shawarma.
There's trash. There's trash. There's no trash.
Shawarma.
Oh yeah.
Salad.
Let me get one.
Do the cheese.
Cheese.
Put it on.
Toss.
I'm doing it. Toss. Take.
here.
There you go.
You shouldn't be out this late.
Why shouldn't I?
Oh, what is that? Will you
Hey.
just stop? What?
Holy!
He teleported. Look.
It was a jump scare.
Who would jump scare us? It wasn't me.
Hello.
Hello, dear.
Hello. You're
What
so
is-
nice.
Could I have a shawarma?
A shawarma?
With
Can I
salad,
get it?
no cheese.
Let me just start it.
Let me get the salad. Okay.
Yeah, you get the salad.
Tell me when to put it on.
So, yeah.
Tell me when to put it on. Okay? Tell me when to put it on.
Got it. So, don't put it on yet. Okay, now put it on. Wait, what is it? Salad?
Yeah.
Okay, that's all. That's all she wants.
What about the shawarma? And
I put the shawarma
and the
in.
lavish.
I put the shawarma in the lavish.
Thank you, sweetheart.
You're so welcome. She was nice, right?
Yes. Why is the lights?
Hold it, stay in the truck. Stay in the truck.
Um.
Oh my god.
Just
Oh my god. Oh my god.
We shouldn't be ordering through this guy.
Oh my god. Okay, take the tortilla, put it down so that I can put the
The
shawarma.
lavish?
Yes, lavish. It's also tortilla.
Put down? Ooh.
He scared me so bad.
Yeah,
Oh my god, I
he's like-
love this game.
Killian, I mean, star? 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 What is he doing? Star? Oh my god, survive.
I love this game though.
Yeah,
We just have to survive.
yeah, but that's really easy actually.
Do we have to hit him or something?
I don't know. I mean, he has a health bar. Oh, I have the punch ability.
You do? How? Yeah, you hit him because I can't.
Yeah, that's enough.
He's over there. Okay, I think we gotta drive again. Okay, we gotta drive. Okay, we gotta drive. Let me drive. Okay. Holy!
Star, that really scared me.
That was cool!
We should find a place to stop soon.
Actually, that was actually cool. I
Gotta be
love this
something up
game.
ahead.
I love scary things.
Yeah, this is kind of fun.
Yeah.
I love getting scared.
Me too. I mean, that's kind of weird. I don't know why we should love getting scared. That's weird.
It's fun. I parked it perfectly. Customers.
Wait for customers. This is what the guy was like. Right?
We've been playing this for 1 hour. Watch out, this person.
Hello.
Hello, you.
Hello.
I'll take
a shawarma.
A shawarma.
Just love
Just lavash and shawarma.
Yeah.
And a cola.
What?
Who wants lavash?
You're
You're
Shawarma?
very calm.
Let me get this
People get
shawarma.
jumpy this late.
You get used to it.
What's this shawarma?
Calm suits you.
Okay, put that. Give it that to him.
What?
The shawarma.
Where's the shawarma?
This. The meat right here.
Right here?
In front of me. I already put the shawarma on. Give that to him.
This?
No, not that. Throw that away.
Okay. Throw it away. No.
Gosh, that scared me so bad.
What? The survive?
The survive.
Yeah, mine too. Mine? Me.
Here you go. Perfect, thanks.
Yeah, of course. Just please don't jump scare us.
And me. I don't know why
Person coming. You guys gotta tell us that didn't scare you. Gotta tell us that scared you. No, not really.
Something like that.
Mixed
shawarma.
Wait, let me get this shawarma. Get this shawarma.
Hold on, don't put it down.
I'm not.
I gotta get the lavash. Put down. The
Now?
shawarma. Yes, put the shawarma.
Now.
Seal it. You do the cheese.
Oh, I did throw that away. Cheese. I put the cheese down.
Okay. Everything's on there.
Hey! Why is the... Oh, yeah, that's it. Yeah.
Thanks.
Right.
You ever
notice how quiet it gets near water? Yeah.
Yeah, it gets pretty quiet. And, Galaxy's account is Galaxy Man.
I
don't like this.
She's hungry. Meat. Only meat.
Where's the meat? Why does she look like that? Where's the fucking meat?
It's the shawarma. It's this.
Oh yeah.
Okay, you give it to her. I want to see the jump scare.
She doesn't eat that.
What?
What?
You gotta punch her again. I can't, remember? You B.
That's all we can put down.
Boopy. What is she doing?
Nothing.
Yes, she is. Look at her. She's T-posing. T-pose.
I'll have a
shawarma.
Cheese
and salad only.
Okay, get the lavash.
Why does it say shawarma?
Cause that's what it is.
This shawarma. Cheese?
Yes.
Do I put the cheese down?
Yeah.
Now, shawarma. Oh yeah, I got it. Okay.
Okay, give it to him.
Here you go.
Thanks.
Why is he a bird though?
I don't know.
Wait, that doctor, the bird doctor, do you know that guy?
Yeah.
It's him.
Oh yeah.
What is that?
Ringo 持ってる
No, we don't.
ないのじゃあお前が持ってるものをよこせ
I understand that. I speak Japanese. This is a guy from an anime. Hold him.
Oh. Can you tell me what he says? Because I don't speak Japanese.
It says what he says. He asked if we had any apples, and we said no. And so he said, okay, then I'll take whatever you have.
So, everything?
Except for the cola.
Yeah.
You give that to him.
The what? Oh, yeah. This. Hello, sir.
Here's your shawarma.
I mean...
This tastes awful.
リンゴ
が
必要だリンゴをよこせ
You gotta kill him. We don't have any apples, dumbo.
Can you see me punching?
Yeah.
Can you still see me?
I think
So you're telling me
it's time to go.
So are you telling me that on your screen you see me punching?
Yeah, okay, sit down.
Okay, I'm sitting. The wheel's moving, Star, but your hands are not. Star, there's so many bosses in here. Oh, we're at the motel. Wow. Guys, also this is a horror game, guys. So don't play it if you're scared. What does that guy look like that? Why does he walk like that? That's weird. What the? Oh, he fell off.
I can't see him.
He fell off. Okay, I guess I'm the customer.
You're so short. Punch him.
I can't do anything. Look on the thing. Maybe he doesn't want that. Star, maybe he doesn't want that.
This is funny. It says there's no order.
That's weird.
Okay, let's do the shawarma kiosk next.
Guys, I'm just gonna, like, you know, keep playing.
Okay, well guys, we're going to be ending the video right here
So,
and recording the kiosk on a different video, because I think, pretty sure this video is too long anyway.